In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create task templates in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a reusable task template saved and successfully applied to a new task so you can create consistent tasks faster and with fewer mistakes. First, open task. On your screen, open the existing ClickUp task you want to turn into a template. And this is the task whose structure, like the title, description, subtasks, and fields you want to reuse. Click More. In the task window, move to the top right and click the three dots, also called the More menu. This opens additional options specific to this task. Click Templates. In the drop-down panel, find and select Templates. This takes you to the template actions for the current task. Click Save as Template. Choose the Save as Template option. Now, this will capture the current task details into a template. Don't worry, saving as a template does not change or delete your original task. Enter template name. In the template pop-up, click into the name field and type a clear, simple name you'll recognize later. Use a naming pattern you and your team will understand, like client onboarding task or sprint planning task. Save. Confirm by clicking Save. The template is now stored and ready to reuse. If you see a brief confirmation, that means the template saved successfully and you can move on. Use template. Now, let's use the template you just created to make a new task with the same structure. Click plus New Task. Go to the list or location where you want the new task to live and click the plus New Task button. A new task panel opens, ready for details. Click Templates. And in the new task panel, open Templates. This is where you can quickly load any saved task template instead of building the task from scratch. Select Template. From the list, click the template name you just created. If your list is long, start typing the name to filter the results, then click the exact match when it appears. Apply. Finally, click Apply. The new task instantly fills with the template's content, like the description, subtasks, and any fields that were part of the original task. At this point, you can adjust anything specific to this instance, such as dates, assignees, or attachments, without affecting the saved template. That's it. You opened a task, saved it as a reusable template, and applied that template to a brand new task in ClickUp. Your task template is now created and working, and you can repeat these steps anytime you need a consistent setup. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.